What's up guys, Ed here. As some of you may know, I do auto glass for a living. And I've been driving around the other day and I was thinking, what if I'm gonna drill tempered glass? Now, all the warehouses and all the other auto glass shops tell me do not tamper with tempered glass. Do not try to drill it, do not try to cut it, do not try to grind it, just don't mess with it. If it's a tempered glass, just leave it be or throw it away if you can't, if the size doesn't work for you. Now, I was thinking, you know what? I want to try it out. What if I do drill it? What if I do try to cut it or grind it? Let's see what happens. Now, I know they're probably right, but I mean, it doesn't hurt to try, right? So I got a 1/4 inch tempered glass, a door glass that I took out of a car, and I have no idea what car it's for. It's actually a good piece of glass, but I don't remember. It's out of a Toyota, but I don't know what kind. But it does have some tint on it, so if it does explode, which it probably will, it's gonna be a lot easier to clean up. But if it doesn't, then man, we just proved all of them wrong. And you know what? That's something I want to try out. All right, so I got my Carbide bit. Let's get drilling. It's going. So I'm practically not putting any pressure on it, just letting the drill do the work. Okay, my battery just went out. We're gonna put that on charge, but man, look at that. I mean, we're getting a little hole right there. Let's get that to focus. Look at that. That's a tiny little hole. It's not all the way through, so we'll see right now. All right, guys, so I'm back with the battery recharged. Let's try this again. It exploded. We literally almost went all the way through and it just shattered. Let's see. Oh geez. I was so far in. I just started pushing harder and it blew up. Well, so much for that. Well, good thing I have another piece of glass. Good thing I got another piece of glass. So we're gonna try, I don't know, maybe grinding it with the grinder, see if we can cut through. But this thing is a goner. Alright guys, so let's try this again. I got a different door glass. This is a door glass out of a Lexus. And I'm gonna try this again, maybe be a little more gentle and see if it works. Probably not, but let's try it. Can't give up on the first one. So here it goes. Alright, so my battery's going out, but it's going in. We're drilling in. Just letting you guys know that there is actual different drill bits that you can use using sand and using lubrication. These are bits that I use for my rock chip repair kits. For repairing rock chips, you drill into windshields, not tempered glass, into annealed glass. So that's what these tips are used for. I'm doing this just to check it out. I don't want to go get the other drill bits. I'm using this. So it is made for glass, but not for tempered glass. Well, tempered glass is not supposed to be drilled, period. So we'll see. Let's throw this back on charge and keep drilling. Okay. And I'm back. There goes that. Man, there was no pressure on this one. I had no pressure on this one whatsoever. I was gently drilling, and it just went boom. Look at this. It just shattered. Yeah, so do not try drilling, I guess. Tempered glass. But, maybe if I try grinding with the grinder, it's probably gonna be the same effect. But the reason I say that, because I tried sanding glass before. I actually have a special sander and sandpaper, and I was actually able to take down like a 1/4 inch of glass down with the sander. So you just gotta go little by little. So that's why I want to try it out. But that's gonna be a idea maybe for another video. Maybe I'll try sanding or grinding a door glass in half. Who knows? We'll see. But if you guys want to see anything, comment in the comment section. I'll try to figure something out. I have access to glass with windshields, door glasses, and door glasses interchange with other tempered glass. They're the same thing, just different curvature. And subscribe, hit that little bell icon thing so you get notifications, and I'll see you guys next time.